the question here says find x given that 1.5 is equal to sine bracket open 60 plus x over 2 bracket close divided by sine 30. The common mistake that many students make here is to cancel out the sine and then start solving the problem. That is not correct. It is mathematically wrong. So the best way to solve it is to take 60 plus x over 2 to be a particular letter, an unknown, and then that will make the simplification easier. So let's see how that is done now. So we're going to say let 60 plus x over 2 be a. And so the question becomes 1.5 is equal to sine a all over sine 30. We all know that if you punch the values in your calculator, sine 30 will give you 0.5. So I'm going to write that out. So I will say 1.5 is equal to sine a all divided by 0.5. So we're going to continue in the next slide now and see how we'll simplify that. So by the time I cross multiply, it's going to give me sine a. Sine a is equal to 1.5 times 0.5. 1.5 times 0.5 will give us 0.75. 0.75. So now to find a, we take the sine inverse of 0.75. So a will be equal to sine inverse. That is sine inverse means sine raised to power minus 1 there of 0.575, I mean. So the sine inverse of 0.75. And the sine inverse of 0.75 will give us 48.6. 48.6. Now, do not forget that a from the beginning was taken as 60 plus x over 2. So let's continue the next slide. So a, recall that a was taken to be 60 plus x all over 2. So I'm going to put in the value of a now. We got a as 48.6. 48.6. So that will be equal to 60 plus x. 60 plus x all divided by 2. Now, when we cross multiply, we're going to get 60 plus x. That will be equal to 48.6. 48.6 times 2. So 60 plus x will be equal to 48.6 times 2 will give us 97.2. 97.2. Now let's continue in the next slide. So for us to get x, we are going to take that value 60 to the other side of the equation. So it's going to be x is equal to 97.2. 97.2 all minus 60. When 60 crosses to the other side, it becomes a negative 60. So 97.2 minus 60 will give us 37.2. So that is the value of x. So that's the final answer. So please subscribe for more problems like this. Thank you.